Good morning, hi, welcome to today's vlog, which is actually a bonus video this week. I'm doing decorating the sitting room later in the week for Christmas, but I actually went the other day to see Mr Carrington. Again, we're on a roll at the moment and we did a wreath making class. Don't know if you can see it, but it's there. We had so much fun and we also went to the charity shop, so I'm gonna take you with me on that little vlog, and then when we come back I'll show you what I got. So 3, 2, 1, let's vlog.
The next station is Kennington.
That was a long trip, but I think I'm gonna make it in good time. Hello, I've made it. Hello! I am in the loft conversion and it is amazing. It's so nice up here.
Oh, thank you.
We're about to do some wreath making. Yay. So that's really exciting. Waitrose have sent us some wreath stuff. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to it. First Christmassy thing of the year.
Yay.
It comes together quite quickly.
Yeah.
How's yours coming along?
Slowly in comparison to you.
It looks so good though.
Nice, but yeah, I'm just being too fussy, I think. I need to whack it on like you've done. That looks so good.
You've done the packages though, the bundles.
Yeah, the bundles.
Yeah,
what are they called? The parcels, you said.
The parcels.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was it. I missed the memo about the parcels because I wasn't paying attention. This is how it's going. Oh, there you are. It smells very good in here.
It does, yeah.
How's yours coming along?
We're getting there.
It's looking really good. I love that. This is my finished wreath. I've definitely got a lot of foliage left, so I might put it on the mantelpiece. I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. Do you want to show us your finished piece?
Yeah. Ta-da!
It looks so good.
I'm pleased with that. It's actually really big because the wicker brown thing didn't look as big as, obviously it's grown outwards, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's so fluffy. It's stunning.
Love it.
So nice.
I love how much different varieties of like foliage they gave us to use.
Yeah.
It makes such a difference, isn't it?
Thank you, Waitrose. This was really fun.
Yeah.
Okay, we are done with our wreath making and we're gonna go and do some charity shopping because we never meet up without looking at least one charity shop.
Yeah. The rules.
Yeah, so let's go. Ewan's very kindly given me these bowls that we're going to the charity shop. Thank you. Very excited to put them in the kitchen. Montage. Yeah. Get that footage, Hermione. Woo! That would be a DIY project.
Yeah, quite good quality one.
Oh, you could sand that back.
Yeah. Hey, that's really nice, you know.
Solid wood.
Yeah.
We're gonna take it back.
Yeah.
We're outside my favourite pink house. So nice.
I love that.
Isn't it good?
It makes you smile when you walk by.
It does. I want to live there.
Yeah.
Your advice?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, I love that. That's
Cute,
so
isn't it?
good. Yeah.
Right, next up we're off into Scope. Just found this kinfolk table, so we're gonna get that. We then popped across the road to Crisis, and there's a few of these around London. I think there's one in Archway if you go up to North London. I really want to try and find some more of them because not only are they a really good cause, but they're a lovely experience because they kind of feel like a vintage shop. They've got lots of records and really interesting home decor and really reasonable prices as well. So I highly recommend if you see one to go in. I didn't get a huge amount of footage because I was doting over someone's dog in there for a very long time. There was a man in there telling me about a sewing machine and he had the best dog ever. So yeah, anyway, I highly recommend going into a Crisis. We've just come for a bite to eat. We're in a place called Lumberjack.
Yeah.
Are we in Camberwell?
Yeah, in Camberwell.
Yeah, in Camberwell. We just went to the Camberwell charity shops and we've got some lovely food. I've got a frittata. What have you got?
It's a vegan toasted sandwich with avocado mix and some other bits in there. Yeah.
I'm very excited to tuck it. Okay, we're in Peckham now. Time to have a look in some more charity shops.
What's behind us?
What's that? Oh, Poundland! Yeah, we're going to go into the British Heart Foundation, see what they've got. We've made it back and it's just started tipping it down with rain, but
absolutely chucking it down, isn't it?
But we made it in time, so it was good. But we were quite restrained, weren't we?
Yeah.
We got a few things each. So if you want to see what you got, check out his video. I'm going to link his channel and video in the description below, and I'll probably show you a few of the bits that I got when I got home. Yeah, absolutely. Oh, it's going to be a long journey back in that weather, but it will be worth it.
Thanks for coming down.
Oh, it was so fun. Thanks for having me and thanks for showing me around the charity shops. It's been so much fun. But yeah, definitely go check out his videos and tell him that I sent you. Back to the present day, I wanted to share with you what I got in the charity shops, but first, this is what my wreath is looking like. I do need to give it a spritz. I completely forgot. I haven't. It's a bit crispier than it was the other day. I might actually pop it in the bathroom later, so when I'm having a shower or a bath, it will steam it a little bit. I've got a plant in the bathroom who is living his best life. Anyway, I popped it on my mantelpiece and I did want to hang it off the mirror, but it just didn't look right when I put a wreath hook up there. So I just left it, and actually I really like it. It smells incredible. I love it. And I actually kind of like that it's drying out a little bit. I won't spoil too much of what's going on here because that's for the video later in the week, but a sneak peek of Christmas. And yeah, that's my old wreath. And I didn't get much in the charity shops, but I did pick up a few things, so I thought I'd show you. So these are the things I picked up, and honestly, if the lighting in this apartment wasn't so harsh, this could be a super aesthetic flat lay, but it's not, so let's just go through what I got. These are the bowls that Ewan gave me. He was giving them away. They are so lovely. I actually think I have the cereal bowl style bowls, these, because they're from Tiger, so they match with what I've already got. But this one I love because it's just the perfect size. I might use it as a fruit bowl, but honestly, I like a big salad, so I might have it as a salad bowl. So thank you, Ewan, for letting me have those. And as you might have seen in the vlog, I picked up a couple of things. This Christmas decoration, oh, can you see it? Ah, it's so pretty. This was £2 in, I think it was the Trinity Hospice, which is the first shop we went into. I don't have a proper star on my Christmas tree, I just put a mouse up there. So I think I'm going to use a piece of wire and wrap this around the top. I thought that might be quite cute. And we can't forget the Kinfolk book. This was £7, originally £35. The photography and the styling is absolutely stunning. I remember when I was in university and Kinwoven was such a big thing. I always used to love the aesthetic. And look, if you take the cover off, the struggle. Look at that. We love a good hardback book without a cover. Anyway, there's that. London is the best place for coffee table books, let me tell you. And then last of all, in trade, I picked up this beautiful vase. And it's $4.99 and it does look like it's been hand painted, so I couldn't leave it behind. It's stunning. I think in the new year, when it's not Christmas anymore, I might try and find some dried branches or something to put in there. But yeah, that's the little haul. One other thing, believe it or not, I actually haven't thrifted much home decor since coming to London. I know, who is she? Haven't found anything except this one thing. I love it. I put it in a box because I haven't found what base I'm gonna put this on yet, but ta-da! It is the baby version of my Capital lampshade. I love it. Okay, it's a bit noisy, so I'm gonna put it down, but you can see it's got beads on this one, and it's a lot smaller than the one I have in my bedroom. That was £5 in the cancer research. I had to snap it up because I know if I bought something like this from Anthropology, it would be like hundreds of pounds. So I just now need to find a base, swap the shades out on. But yeah, that is my thrift haul for everything I've found since moving to London. I am going a bit easier on the thrifting now that I've downsized, but that doesn't mean I don't want to take you with me. If you haven't already seen, sometimes on my Instagram stories, if I go thrifting, I'll post a bunch of stuff that I don't buy but I like the look of, and I'll just share them on my stories, so do go and check those out. But yeah, trying to be a little bit more conscientious of what I bring into the house. But that being said, in January, I think we need to go on a few charity shop trips together, so I will bring you with me in January. But anyway, that's my haul. Had a lovely time this week. I hope you enjoyed the extra bonus vlog, and I'll be with you very soon to share with you the Christmas decorations. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!